Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I am super happy to announce that my third ebook, Landscape Lite, is here. And obviously, as you can hear on the title, it is all about how to use and approach light in landscape photography. This has been a massive project for me, which has resulted in a 251 pages ebook divided out on 9 chapters. I built it up like my 2 other ebooks with more or less minimal text, although averagely a bit more text per page than the 2 previous ones, and tons of examples to prove the point. The different chapters are 1. Types of light, with sub-chapters with backlighting, front lighting, side lighting, double light, and so forth. A chapter about the light that you can experience throughout the day with subgenres such as the golden hour, blue hour, midday, and even nighttime. And then I have a little bit about the different apps that I use. Now, the other side of the coin to light is obviously color, so I could not ignore an entire chapter about color, how you can use color, how you can interpret color, and how you can even edit color. Since light is the element of any photo, without light there would not be any photos. I also found it important to have a post-processing chapter where I show before and after photos so you can see how you can edit light in post-processing. This is also a little bit more of a philosophical chapter because I do not go into the techniques of post-processing. I have my course for that. This is more how to think post-processing. Then I also have a chapter where I try to put everything together and show a lot of different examples where I talk about how I use the color, how I use the light, and how you can then interpret the photo. I also use my own photos for that. And in the end, I have like a bonus chapter where I've collected all my final thoughts regarding light and photography. This chapter gives further insights on all the different philosophical and conscious decisions that you need to take in regard to taking photos. On top of all this, I have added an extensive amount of EXIF data to every single photo in the ebook. And let me just be completely honest, that was the most slavishly boring thing I've ever done in my career as a landscape photographer. I have also always had a bit of an issue with adding EXIF data to my photos when presenting them on my YouTube videos because 1, it takes away from presenting the photo. 2, it's a lot of extra work for me because I tend to show many photos in each video. And 3rd, EXIF data can be incredibly confusing if you do not know whether a photo is focus stacked, or if there has been used filters, or if it has been bracketed, or if it has been time blended, or edited in any other way. Therefore, I've added extended EXIF data, which at first glance can look a little bit confusing for the beginner photographer. But I did add an explainer page where you should be able to deduce what all the different numbers and letters mean. If the extended EXIF data is too confusing, you can just ignore it to begin with. It doesn't take away from the main points of the ebook. It has taken me around 5 years to get this ebook done. In a combination of not being satisfied with my first idea after having it out for feedback, having to redesign it and throw out chapters and make new chapters, lack of time simply just from running the rest of my business, and of course depending on my dear partner Sophie to proofread the ebook because I suck at English grammar compared to her. So a massive shout out to her for helping me with that. I am super excited, but also nervous about releasing a new product. I think everybody who have made something new feels like that. But with a price of only $20 US, I keep the price down. This ebook will never ever be discounted. And of course, you may incur some local taxes or VAT if you are a European. You can get it standalone, or I have bundled it up with my 2 other ebooks. And there's of course a free light version that you can get access to down in the description of the video. Speaking of the 2 other ebooks, I have just fixed a little bit of grammar in them and added links to the table of content so that they are easier to navigate. And then I made a little bit of a shout out to my 3rd ebook in the end of both of them. I hope Landscape Lite will be well received. I hope you will enjoy it. It has been I can't believe it's been 5 years. There are links to everything down in the description of the video, and a huge thanks in advance for getting it.